Hello friends, my name is Harsh Patel and today we are going to see my master's projects, that is PV array integrated DigiStatCom. Two configurations I have implemented. One is three-phase three-wire configuration of PV DigiStatCom and another one is a three-phase four-wire configuration of PV DigiStatCom, as you can see in the figure. If you want to buy this project, uh, it will cost you around 7,000 rupees, and my Gmail address is provided in description box. You can contact me there. The price of each simulation will be 7,000 rupees. Means if you want to buy three-phase three-wire PVD platform, it will cost you around 7,000 rupees, and if you want to buy three-phase four-wire configuration, it will cost you around 7,000 rupees. So now I will show you the control strategies. This is the control strategies which I have used for three-phase three-wire configuration, and this is the control strategies which I have used for three-phase four-wire configuration. Now you see, I will show you the simulation results in MATLAB. So friends, this is the circuit for three-phase three-wire PVD statecom which I have implemented. As you can see here, this is the source, this is source impedance, and this is the load which I have considered. The load which I have considered is a non-linear unbalanced load. As you can see, I have created unbalance in the load, and this is the non-linear load. The structure of PVD statecom is shown in the video, as you can see here. This is the PV array circuitry consisting of a PV array, boost converter, and a MPPT algorithm. It is used to extract the maximum power from the PV array. This is the control circuitry, and this is the pulse generation block which I have used. Now I will show you the simulation results. If the PV statecom will perform the function of compensating reactive power, balancing the source current, injecting PV power, and reducing the harmonics from the source current. So first we will see the, as you can see here, the source VCC voltage and source current are in phase, and a unity power factor operation is obtained for the at the PCC. And as we have considered load as a non-linear unbalanced type of load, the load current will be unbalanced, but the current at PCC will remain balanced. This is the current at a PCC, and I will show you the load currents. As you can see here, this is the load current. As it is seen that there is unbalance in the current and it is containing the harmonics. DC capacitor voltage settles exactly at 700 volts, and as you can see here, THD is around 2.3% THD we will get in this simulation. Now I will show you the active power. Now as we have integrated PV array, it will transfer the active power from the PVD statecom. As you can see here, this is blue color line is for the active power transmitted from the PVD statecom. It is supplying around 2.1 kilowatt of active power. This red one is for the active power demand of load, and a yellow is the active power supplied from the source. By changing the PV array rating, we can transmit more amount of power from the PVD statecom. You have to just change the PV array ratings, and we will see the reactive power. As you can see here, the two, one is red one and another one is blue, that is for load, and PVD statecom, that is the reactive power demand of load is being fully met by the PVD statecom. So this is the function it is performing. And now I will show you the results for a three-phase four-wire configuration. This is the configuration of PVD statecom for three-phase four-wire, and here additionally it can perform the function of compensating neutral current. As you can see here, it is reducing neutral current to around zero point 0.1 ampere peak value, and the load neutral current is around 1.1 ampere, which is then reduced to zero point 0.1 ampere in the source neutral current. We can, if you want to reduce further, you can change this inductance value and you can reduce the neutral current further. This is the, I will show you the configuration. This is the configuration I have used for a three-phase four-wire PVD statecom. As you can see, this is PV circuitry, this is control circuit, this is pulse generation block, and results obtained will be similar except it can compensate for the neutral current. As you can see here, it is providing a unity power factor at a PCC. The unbalanced source current has become balanced with the application of PUD statecom. As you can see here, this is balanced, and the DC capacitor voltage settles at 700 volts. Now the active power injected will be, as you can see, this is the active power. This is blue one is for active power supplied from the PUD statecom. This is the red one is for the active power supplied from load active power demand, and this is the active power supplied from the source. And this is the for reactive power. As you can see here, the reactive power demand of the load is being made by the PUD statecom. So these were the two configurations. The one earlier I shown, which is for 3-phase 3-wire configuration, and this is for 3-phase 4-wire configuration of PUD statecom. The each simulation will cost you around 7,000 rupees, and if you want to purchase this simulation, you can contact me on the Gmail address which I have provided in the description box. Okay friends, thank you. If you have any query, you can write in the comment box. I will answer it.